Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Midi plays back through the exact instrument you want to print. If you change plugins later, you lose the sound. Once the Midi is routed, set the project sample rate and tempo so the rendered audio matches your session. Next, create and arm a new audio track and choose the correct input, usually the instrument output or a stereo bus. This lets you record the instrument output in real time or bounce it directly while keeping full control. Now capture the sound. If you prefer real-time capture, hit record and play the Midi while monitoring levels. This is ideal for hardware or when effects must be printed live. Alternatively, use Export Audio Mixdown to render the instrument channel directly. Select the Midi instrument or output bus, set the locator range, and choose channels. Make sure to pick 24-bit and the correct sample rate. This preserves headroom and fidelity. Once exported, import the file back to inspect timing and tone. Finish by trimming silence and applying light fades to avoid clicks. Normalize or adjust gain so levels sit well in the mix. If the audio is out of sync, make sure latency compensation was enabled. If not, apply a manual offset to align the audio with Midi. Once satisfied, replace the Midi track with the new audio region and save a backup version of your project. If you still hear artifacts, re-render with offline export or increase buffer size and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.